Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2017 Kenworth 72-inch air cap flat top to show you. It's a factory glider kit built with a 3406 cat, 13 speed, 796 on the miles. I've got it hot. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you up close, blow by, frame rails, everything that you want to see just like you're standing here. Let's go ahead and get started. Extremely clean engine compartment. Blow by looks great. Body and paint's in good shape. Does have that very high-end bull guard on the front. Will save you thousands. If you've never had one, you may want to consider it. Save a hood, save fenders. The Magnum brand, extremely well made. You can see I lifted that back up one-handed, so real easy to put back up. Love the painted tank option on this one. That's really cool. Because of these full fenders, the back of your cab looks extremely good. It does have a thermoflow wet kit. AZ380 suspension, air slide fifth wheel. Excellent. The paint light, call that new drives on there. Still got the tits on the side. New brakes. This truck's in really nice shape. Very well taken care of. VIT interior. Atlas matching leather seats. Love the window in the back. Really like how this truck's set up. Got full gauge package, 13 speed. Sits at operating temp, great low side oil pressure. All pops up there, super responsive on your oil pressure, well into the 60s. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one, give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.